In this group module section, we'll explore things such as numerous ways and different entities that you should reach out and communicate to so that they may assist you in getting amazing credit repair results. You will learn the importance to organize your communications, your emails, certified mailings, texts, and phone calls with these agencies. You will learn how to find top-level executives at the banks, credit bureaus, collection companies, government agencies, and more, and how to get their phone extension, email, and many times their cell phone number. You'll also see when it is best and at what point to hire a lawyer, even if it is in a limited scope as far as what should be clarified in the specific legal retainer agreement with your attorney. You need this to accomplish specifically what you need in specific matters. You'll also learn which government agencies have which oversight and over which specific industries. A super huge thing that you'll also learn is all the 10 places to do subsidiary bureau security freezes. This is not a common security freeze that you do with TransUnion, Equifax, or Experian. These are the smaller subsidiary bureaus that furnish and confirm connecting information between you, the creditor and collector, and the credit bureaus. Most good credit repair companies will do 4 or 5 or even up to 6 security freezes with these different agencies. But you really need to do all 10 to make a huge difference in your credit repair results. The deletions are crazy good when you do this. The reason that most good credit repair companies only do about 5 of these is because they are not taking the extra time to supply utility bills and driver's license, in which half of them require both being submitted. Several require that you send it by mail, and certified is the only smart way to go in doing that. To do the difficult extra 5 security freezes can take a credit repair company an extra 10 hours worth of work. This is also the main reason other credit repair companies don't do this. Common subsidiary bureaus like Innovis, LexisNexis, ARS, Microbilt, Credco, and a bunch of others, when you reach out to them, you want to make sure you're very specific and have the correct wording. We have the videos, computer screens, the whole process makes everything very clear where you can watch on your screen how this works. Lastly, in this section, we dive into a vast depth analysis of credit scoring modules and what affects your credit score in all directions.
For more credit, debt, foreclosure, and more great tips, subscribe to the channel